Hello children, today we are going to discuss chapter 2, that is acid, bases and salts. In this session we will discuss only about acids. What are acids? Fruits like apples, oranges and pineapples, these all are sour in taste. Why? Because they contain acids. Acids also turns blue litmus paper to red. Acid produce hydrogen ion when we dissolve acid in water. We can define that an acid is a substance which produces hydrogen ion when we dissolve this acid in water. For example, if we will dissolve hydrochloric acid in water, that time hydrochloric acid will dissociate into its ions like hydrogen ion and chloride ions. It is the hydrogen ion which turns blue litmus to red and give acid their characteristic properties. What are the physical properties of acids? Acids are sour in taste like vinegar and lemon juice. Acids are harmful for living cells. Strong acids are harmful for living cells, but some weak acids we are using in our daily life. Aqueous solution of all acids contain hydrogen ions. Acid turns blue litmus to red. Strong acids are corrosive in nature. What are the other properties of acid? Now we will discuss about the chemical properties of acids. When acid reacts with metal, that time salt and hydrogen gas will produce. We can take here the example of magnesium as a metal and sulfuric acid as an acid. So when magnesium reacts with sulfuric acid, that time magnesium sulfate hydrogen will form. We can check this hydrogen gas also if we will bring a burning matchstick nearby test tube. That time if this gas is hydrogen, then this gas will burn with pop sound. Acids react with carbonates to produce carbon dioxide. For example, calcium carbonate when reacts with hydrochloric acid, that time calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide will form. We can check this carbon dioxide also if we will put this gas in lime water, that time lime water turns milky. So we can speak then this is the carbon dioxide gas. Now what happens when metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acids? When metal carbonates react with acids, that time salt, carbon dioxide and water will form. This is the general equation for this property. For example, if sodium carbonate reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, that time sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide will form. We can check this carbon dioxide. If we will pass this carbon dioxide in lime water, that time lime water turns milky. So if lime water turns milky, it means this is the carbon dioxide gas. Now, what happens when metallic oxides react with acid? When metal oxide react with acid, that time salt and water will form. Since metallic oxides react with acid to give salt and water, similar to the reaction of the base with an acid. That's why metallic oxides are said to be basic oxides, because these metal oxides are basic in nature. What is the role of water in acidity? The hydrogen ion produced are not hydrogen gas. They react with metal like magnesium to produce hydrogen gas and magnesium ions. A few drops of water are enough to allow an acid to dissociate. So, if we want to dissociate acid into its ion, then we have to dissolve acid in water. Why do HCl, HNO3, etc. show acidic characteristic in aqueous solution while solutions of compounds like alcohol and glucose do not show acidic characters? The dissociation of HCl or HNO3 to form hydrogen ions always occurs in the presence of water. Hydrogen ion combines with water to form hydronium ions. Why does an aqueous solution of an acid conduct electricity? Acids dissociate in aqueous solution to form ions. So, because of these ions, acid conduct electricity. So then these ions are responsible for electricity. Why does dry HCl gas not change the color of the dry litmus paper? Color of the litmus paper is changed by the hydrogen ion. Dry HCl gas doesn't contain any hydrogen ion. It is only in the aqueous solution that an acid dissociates to give ions. Since in this case neither HCl is in aqueous form nor litmus is in wet condition. So the color of the litmus paper will not change. That's why water is necessary to show the acidic properties of the acid. When we will dissolve acid in water, that time acid will release its hydrogen ion, and these because of these hydrogen ions acid will show its acidic nature. What are strong acids? A strong acid is an acid that is completely ionized in water. This means that all the acid molecules become ions in the water. The example of strong acids are sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, and nitric acid. Now, what are the weak bases? Weak acids? Weak acid is an acid that is only partially ionized in water. This means that only a few molecules of the acid becomes ion in water. For example, ethanoic acid, citric acid, carbonic acid, tartaric acid, these all are the examples of weak acids. Here, some common acids are like sulfuric acid. The formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4, hydrochloric acid HCl, nitric acid HNO3, citric acid C6H8O7, ethanoic acid that is commonly known as vinegar, and the formula of this acid is CH3COOH. What are the uses of acids? Hydrochloric acid is used in industry to remove rust from metal before they are painted. Sulfuric acid is used to make fertilizers and detergent. This sulfuric acid is used in batteries also. And one more point, important point in the case of sulfuric acid is that the sulfuric acid is known as king of acids. Ethanoic acid is used in vinegar for cooking and to preserve food such as vegetable pickles, etc. Citric acid is used in making fruit salts. So, dear children, this is the description of the acids. Thank you.